Hello, you are welcome to the Technology in Front YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about construction site. A construction site is an area or a piece of land on which construction works are being carried out. Again, construction site is an area or a piece of land on which construction works are being carried out. Second, this site has characteristics. Number one, area. Second, soil types. Third, ground condition. Fourth, topography. Fifth, access to the site. Now, we are starting this journey of talking about technology, but we need your subscription and share. Thank you.